What's going on, guys? This is Jacoby back with another tutorial video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer over content. If you're coming from one Shopify to another Shopify store, it's extremely important to transfer over all your data. This is a self-service thing, so we're going to show you on video how to do this. Super easy, super quick. All you have to do is follow instructions. All right, first thing first is you have to know both of your Shopify URL names. So the particular store that I'm going to be working on is a client of ours who has an older store and who also has a newer store with us. So I'm going to go to the older store. This is the older store here. If I click here, this is the older store. The way that I get into the back office of the older store is I just do / behind the URL name, admin, / admin. Click enter. That logs you into the back office of your store. So you have to log into the back office of your store. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to all my products. And what I would do is I would just select export products. So I will go here, I will click export products, I'll click all products, and I will click export. So I'm not going to do this one, but just you would click export products. So that will go directly to your email. And then once the products come to your email, you'll have to go to your email. You'll have a new email directly from Shopify, and you'll open that email, and then you would just download the export file that you just sent yourself from your old store. All right, so where's the old store link? So this is the old store link. The reason why I know this is the old store link is because this one has dashes, because that's how this client set it up. So if yours doesn't have dashes, that just means you didn't set it up with spaces. So when she set up her website, she set up Movea space hair space essentials. When the one that I set up for her, the same client, I actually just set it up all as one word. So when I set it up as one word, it just was Movea hair essentials.myshopify.com. All right, so okay, now let's imagine that I just downloaded the export file for products. I would just go into my new store and upload it. So I want to show you this real time on something that's actually I can export. So let's say customers. All right. So I'm going to export customers, all, export. All right. So all the customers are being sent to the email address that's on file. So luckily this particular client, for example purposes, they allowed me to use their email address to log right in, to log in and to get into their account. So I'm going to use this. Of course, I don't need access to your email because you already have access to it. So this is how it will work. The exporter customers came. All right. I click customers export. You see the file downloaded. Now I want to go to the new store. So like I said, the way I know the new store is because it doesn't have any spaces or any dashes. So I'm going to go to look for the option that says customers. Customers. I'm going to import customers. You can either grab this file and drag it, or you can click add file. Go to your downloads folder. I guess my computer's growing slow. So it may be faster if I just grab it and drag it. Import. All right. So it's currently importing all the customers to the new store. So remember, you have to be logged into both stores. You want to be logged into your old store, logged into your new store, so that way you can do everything. And as it's saying, if you like, you can close this dialog box. An email will be sent to you once it's completed. They're currently uploading the customers to the store in the back office. So don't be scared of hitting this X. So same thing of our products. The reason why I didn't do products is because the customer's main 3 products are already in the store. So it was no need for me to export all these products that they're unavailable anyway. So last but not least, orders. So for security purposes, Shopify doesn't allow you to export orders. I have no clue why. They allow you to import orders easily. So, oh, well, never mind. Export orders is right there. So to my knowledge, before it didn't allow you to do that. So same thing, orders page. I go to orders, I click export, I click all orders, click export. All right, your orders will be delivered to the email on file. So again, I'm already in the back office of this customer's email. All right, so I'm going to go right into her email, and you see it says customers import complete. Export of orders. I'm going to click this link, download it. I'm going to look for the new store. Those dashes means the old store because that's how it's set up. All right, so boom. All right, so again, I don't want you to get confused on this whole dash, non-dash thing. Just a reminder, the dashes are irrelevant. So it could have said whatever you set up originally is what it shows. And then this is what I set up. So all that matters is your old store, the new store. The dashes, I got to stop saying X. I don't want to confuse you. So this is the new store. All right. Okay, so this is where we're at. It doesn't allow you to import new orders easily. So it allows you to export, but it doesn't allow you to import easily. So to import your orders in the new store, you'll go to your app store. You'll go visit App Store. It's an app called Order IMP. You click the search button. All right. So this is it. Order IMP by Order IMP. So I click this little monster here. I'll click add. It is a free app. It's going to connect right into our store. All right, we're just going to go to upload historical orders. So we're just going to drag that file that we just downloaded. We drag it over and it shows us all the orders are coming with the order numbers. You select save. The preset is saved. All right. Files are, you select the Shopify icon. You select next. Next. Actually, boom. Yep. So you're just going to put a couple different next. All right. Next. All right. And then, so you get to this final page, and then you select complete. All right. And then you want to select send to Shopify. So it's next, next, next. Yes. Successfully started. So now all your orders from your old store will be transferred over to your new store. All right. So you can either sit here and watch it, or you can go outside of it and maneuver around the website. All right. Cool. So it says currently 12 out of 50. All right. So like most services that offer free support, they upload a certain amount of orders for you for free. So if you have a vast amount of orders, you may have to use the paid service for this. If you have a limited amount of orders, you should be good to go as far as like transferring over your orders. I'm not sure what the purchased amount is, but if I select purchase credits, all right, so 50 to 100 orders is $9.99. Purchase credits for imported orders. 100 to 500 orders is $19.99. 500 to 1,000 orders is a one-time $29.99. So this is not a monthly fee. It's just a one-time fee to transfer over your orders. So now I'm on the new store. If I select orders, all my orders are transferred over. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. I have my products, I have my orders, I have my customers, and I am good to go. All right, this concludes this video. Thank you guys.